I have been to Europe, I have been to Spain, but there's nothing quite as beautiful as Malaysian rain. Whenever I'm down, whenever I'm in pain, I love to stand in Malaysian rain. When I feel like I shouldn't have been born, I stand in the rain and it keeps me warm. The most wonderful rain that I've ever seen. I'm going to leave Malaysia feeling fucking clean. When I landed in Kuala Lumpur, I said, oh my gosh, we're gonna play a concert and I'm gonna have a wash. I wish we could play for another hour, then I could take another hour-long shower. When I get home, I'm going to explain just how beautiful Malaysian rain, oh Malaysia.